Hey guys, I know a couple weeks ago we gave you kind of a rickroll on the AK reload. We were talking about the secret of how to reload an AK fast. Well, now I'm going to really give it to you. So here's the secret. There is no secret, okay? So that's where, if you know me, I'm not a recipe or systems-based guy or brand-based guy. It's all about deliberate practice and the work that you put into it, and minimizing the excessive or wasted motions that you put into manipulating of any weapon system. So when you set up for a reload, of course, there's lots of ways to skin a cat with the AK. There's the Iraqi reload. There's, the standardized Russian POI reload where you knock the mags out. There's the thumb reload. Okay, there's a couple different ways to do it. Now, I prefer to find the one that has the least amount of steps. How can I reduce the steps of manual of arms with the AK, be more efficient and fast? So I prefer the thumb reload. So I'm just simply using my thumb to pop the magazine out. Now, of course, some AKs have a harder latch than others, so some of them can be modified a little bit or extended, as long as they're not extended too much, so you can get that magazine out quick. So for a simple deliberate practice model, which is what if there is any secret, it's sports performance. It's deliberate practice in your training of just doing it right. So you have a conscious technical emphasis of do it right, do the steps right. And then there's a trusting mindset where you got to let it go. You got to wing it a little bit, and you have to find a balance of both of those. Okay, so when you set up for deliberate practice with the AK, just like some of our other videos out there with a handgun, the best thing to do is start with an empty mag in the gun and a round in the chamber. Okay, and then I've got my full mag and my speed reload source on my side here. So when we come up on the target, we're going to start slow again. Do your 5-second count. So I come up, safety comes off, I fire a round, which is going to go off. I fire to a click, and at that point in time, I can do a static reload, which means I keep the stock in my shoulder, I grab the mag, I come up, and you can see my thumb underneath here. I simply knock this one out and put that mag in. Now here's the question. Well, should I charge over the top or charge underneath? I prefer to charge underneath because my hand just goes right to the charging handle. And also I've got optics on the gun. Especially if you have optics or scopes on an AK, it's harder to go over the top because you're going to hit that optic. So that's why I prefer to come underneath, get the hand back on the gun, and then fire your second round. Okay? Continuing your deliberate practice, keep your feet set, keep your focus strong, bend down, pick up your mag, and do your tack reload the exact same way. Thumb. You can see I'm high or low actually, low on the bottom of the mag. I switch, rock it in, slide it off, put the mag away, and I'm ready to go again. Okay, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire. So you can see there 5 seconds, I'm in rhythm, I'm in timing, I'm not rushing myself, I'm being very, very deliberate in what I'm doing here. Okay, then I'll pick up the mag again. Same thing. This is deliberate practice. Speed reload and tack reload the same way. And then I might do 4 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, fire. Okay, same thing. Pick it up and keep working that. And when you do your drills, maybe you'll do 5 or 10 reps at a time, and then just get into a focus mode. Click, grab mag, weapon stays there, get it out, charge it, and fire. Okay? And then ever so slightly add your speed. 3, 2, 1, fire. So now I'm bringing that time down, okay? And then eventually you're just going to become subconscious. And it's going to become subconscious because the weapon is becoming more in an unconscious proprioceptive state, meaning that you know where the gun needs to go, you know where your hands need to go, you know where your thumb needs to go, you know when to rock. The thing I don't want to do, guys, is grab that magazine, and I always see guys come up and do the traditional reload. What happens is they go forward too far, and then they have to come all the way back to the gun. That's why I'd rather just use my thumb and kick it out, get the mag in, and you're going to take a good second off your time there. All right? So again, deliberate practice, just like everything we've been talking about. There is no secrets. All there is hard work. I'm Travis Haley. Stay sharp. Be safe. Thanks for joining me.